Hi everyone! This is a video tutorial for the card holder crochet kit. The kit comes with a ball of raffia yarn, a notion pack, as well as an instruction booklet. In the notion pack, it comes with a crochet hook, 2 stitch markers, a darning needle, a set of snap buttons, as well as straight pins for blocking. First, pull out the tail end from the center of the yarn. We'll start by making the body of the card holder by chaining 35 stitches. We'll use the size 5 end of the crochet hook. Now grab the tail of the yarn and create a slip knot. Insert the crochet hook into the loop and pull to tighten. Chain a total of 35 stitches. Count to make sure that you have 35 stitches. Next, we will proceed into row 1. For the first row, we will single crochet through the back ridge loop. So instead of inserting the crochet hook here, we will turn the piece around and insert the crochet hook into the back ridge loop. Here's another demonstration with a bigger yarn. Single crochet through the back ridge loop gives off a neater edge compared to the regular one. Now single crochet into the second chain from the hook through the back ridge loop. Attach a stitch marker into the first stitch. Single crochet through the back loop until the end of the row. Here, I've single crocheted a total of 4 stitches. Continue single crochet until the end of the row. Count to make sure that you have 34 stitches from this end to the other end. Now we will proceed into the second row. Start by chaining 3. Turn your work and make a double crochet into the 4th stitch. Attach a stitch marker into the first stitch of the row. Doing this will help to create a neater edge on your work. Double crochet in all stitches around until you have reached the other end of the stitch marker. Next, let's proceed into the third row. For the third row, start by making a chain 1. Turn your work and single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Mark the first stitch of the row. Single crochet in all stitches around until you have reached the other end of the stitch marker. Next, repeat the second and the third row for another 5 times until you have a total of 13 rows. I've completed a total of 13 rows. Now we'll proceed into the top edge. Single crochet into the chain 3 space and then chain 1. Rotate the piece and now we will work on the other side. Single crochet evenly on the top edge until you have a total of 18 stitches. Count to make sure that you have a total of 18 stitches. Pull the hook through and leave about 15 centimeters of a tail.